Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install GoLang in Windows 11. So to install this, you have to actually type here GoLang US, okay, and press enter. And here you can see. So just click here download and install. Go for the download and install, and just click here download. And then here you can see we have MSI. So just go with the .NSI, okay. So .MSI, go with this. And here you can see it start downloading, so we have to wait for a few seconds maybe. Here you can see we have download it, and now let's go for the installation. Double click on it, select next, check this, go for the next. Here you can see this is for the C drive. If you want to install it in different drive, you may actually go with the chains. So I'm going to go with the default one, C drive. So I'll click here next, then install. Here you can see it installing. Okay, so we have already installed it. Now click here finish. Now we have to set environment variable. So let's go set it. What you have to do, you have to go for the C drive because we have installed it in C drive. So let's go for the C drive, and here go for the program files, and here you will find this folder. Go, just double click on it and go for the bin. So you have to actually copy this path, okay. Just copy the path and go for the environment variable. So you have to type here NENZIR1, okay. You will find something like this. Just open it, go for the environment variables option, go for the path under system variables. Here you can see we have two different paths. So just go with the system variables, okay, path, this path, and click here edit, and then click here new, okay, and edit. Here you can see by default they actually added it. When I actually install it, it's added automatically, okay. If it is not added, you have to actually add it manually like this, okay. So I have already added it, so I'm not going to add it once again. So after add it, just click here okay, then okay, then okay, fine. Now we have installed it perfectly, right? Now let's go and check it in the CMD. That will say Go version. Okay, you can see Go version, and it means we actually installed it perfectly, right? Okay, so that's it guys. Thank you so much for watching.